Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in a Kia Rio. First, gather your essential tools: a new oil filter, a drain pan, a wrench, and 4 quarts of the recommended oil. Make sure your engine is warm, but not scalding hot, as this helps the old oil drain more efficiently. Always prioritize safety by parking on a level surface, engaging the parking brake, and using sturdy jack stands to support your vehicle securely after lifting it. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe oil change process. Now, let's get rid of that old oil. First, locate the oil drain plug, typically found at the bottom of the oil pan under the engine. Position your drain pan directly beneath the plug to catch all the used oil. Using the correct size wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be prepared for the oil to start flowing immediately. Allow a good 10 to 15 minutes for all the old engine oil to completely drain out, ensuring a thorough flush. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter and to secure the drain plug. First, remove the old oil filter, which is usually located near the drain plug, using an oil filter wrench. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it an additional 1/4 turn. Finally, reinstall the drain plug, tightening it firmly but carefully to avoid stripping the threads. Almost done. Now let's add the fresh oil. Locate the oil filler cap, usually marked with an oil can symbol on top of your engine. Carefully pour in the recommended 4 quarts of new engine oil. Use a funnel to prevent spills. Once all the oil is in, replace the oil filler cap securely. Start your engine and let it run for about 1 minute to circulate the new oil. Finally, turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, and then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.